Some altcoins will hit $1 trillion market cap in the future, and in this video, I explain why I think that is. What's up, everybody? Welcome to a Crypto Capital Venture. Hit that subscribe and like on the way in. Let's jump into the video. I'm not even actually sure I'm going to post this video. I have to get this out there. I have to record this. Here's CoinMarketCap. So Bitcoin, not even at $1 trillion. Ethereum, $67 billion market cap. And then you get into Litecoin, only $5 billion. Cardano, almost $5 billion. How could I sit here and say possibly that some of these altcoins will hit $1 trillion? And that's what I want to kind of just talk about in this video. And I want to say this. I tweeted this a little bit ago, and this is what spurred this video. I said Cardano will hit $1 trillion market cap in the future. I also tweeted this a little bit ago. Litecoin will hit $1 trillion market cap in the future. And then this happened. Someone unfollowed me because I said that about Litecoin. And I just tweeted, I said, some of you all shouldn't be so emotionally triggered by simple data. It's just crypto, relax. And then I got this, data based on gut feeling. And then my answer is this, and I'm telling a story here. The same data I was using in my videos in December 2018 bear market low that told me Bitcoin would be around where it is right now. And this is what I'm talking about. I charted this back in the bear market low, right around December 2018. I charted this, and it's still just locked in. And look, the trajectory of Bitcoin, we are following that trajectory. Mind you, we're not exactly on this line, but Bitcoin is doing what we've anticipated. And that data is what I'm basing my altcoin prediction of altcoins going to $1 trillion, namely Cardano and Litecoin. So I want to say this. In a world where it's 2021 and now Citibank is predicting $300,000 Bitcoin by December 2021. Okay, my tweets aren't giving a timeline, and I think if somebody got offended by this or something, first of all, that's ridiculous. But second of all, it's probably because they're thinking I'm talking about the short term, in the next year or something, and I'm not. I'm thinking long term. Everybody, a Cardano at $1 trillion market cap in 10 years is 100% possible, and you have to think of it like you're thinking about startups and about the early days of something like Amazon. You really do. And Cardano is one of my favorite altcoins because of the mere fact that they're building like a startup, like a fast growth startup. And I don't think a lot of people pay attention to this fact. IOHK has almost 200 employees. They're building, and they're building like a startup. They're building like an Amazon in the early days. And I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know exactly what's going to happen. But if in the short term you have places like Citibank so bullish on Bitcoin, and then you look at CoinMarketCap and you have such disparity in terms of the difference in the market cap of Bitcoin to all these altcoins, and even Ethereum. Ethereum is like an early mover. That's why it's up there. It's almost at $100 billion market cap. It's almost 10% there to $1 trillion. So Ethereum's going to hit $1 trillion, I think. But there's such a disparity between Ethereum and something like Cardano. And when you have those companies, and this is why I'm so bullish on Cardano, when you have a company like that and IOHK in the background doing these things and making these moves like a startup would, there's so much upside potential in the crypto space when you have huge institutions this bullish on Bitcoin, namely cryptocurrency space in general. I mean, essentially, they're mentioning Bitcoin, but that's going to affect cryptocurrency space. And this is just 2021. Everybody, this is short term. My tweets, my prediction that altcoins will hit $1 trillion is longer term. It's not in the next year. And I just really wanted to throw this out there. There's so much more happening, and it requires patience, but the data from a technical analysis perspective is there for Bitcoin. Keep in mind, if you actually zoom out on this chart, you can actually see if the Citibank prediction, comes true, and I don't know if it will in 2021, but even if it's 2024 and we're sitting at a $250,000 Bitcoin, that's still half of gold's market cap. Okay, that's almost $4 trillion market cap for Bitcoin, half of gold, and you know altcoin markets are going to be at that next level, at that stage, on their way to $1 trillion. This is patience. This is a long-term game, but the companies are building. IOHK is building, and yeah, there's other altcoins building too. But these are just my thoughts on the altcoin markets, and I just wanted to put it out there. Let me know your thoughts below. Do you think it's possible? Which altcoins are you that long on? Talking 10 years plus. I'm really curious of your thoughts. I'll see you in the next video. Hit that subscribe. God bless.